We definitely have plenty of ideas to go back to school. Even though we're already back to school, there's always time to do a little project to spice up all this hard work. So let me give you a few ideas. My name's Irene. I saw about anything, clothing, decoration, gifts, anything you can think of. So if you like this kind of videos, consider subscribing because I upload twice a week and that way you don't miss anything. And all these projects are ideas for beginners because they are fairly easy to do, and if you're an advanced sewer, the better because you can have it done in less than an hour. Of course, I'm going to link everything in the description box down below, one by one, every project, so if you want to see just one, you can go and see which one it is. And at the end of the video, I'm going to link a list with all the back to school, let's call it like that, projects. So in case you want to see them all. And let me just start with the projects I've done this week, which is a cover for your sketchbook or diary. I think it's amazing, it's really easy to do, and with an inner flap you can just slide the cover and it will stay there fine. It's really nice. I love it because you can personalize your books, you can avoid people knowing what you're reading. Maybe you're reading about politics, or maybe you're going to redecorate your house and no one knows yet. So it's ideal to avoid all those curious eyes. And the pencil case that goes with it, I'm in love with it. It's just amazing. It has a decorative elastic band on the back, which attaches to your book or diary, and it's really nice. It stays there in place, and you can have your pencils, your pens right by hand. It's really nice, and it has a really professional finish. And I think it was last year that I made a special for reading month, and I made these bookmarkers that are really nice. You have the modern one, which is a corner for your page. It's really easy to do, really nice and fashionable. And then this one, a more classic one, and I reused this from an old curtain my cousin didn't want. So it's amazing what you can do, and quite a nice hobby to have. And a beautiful cover to make for your books is this one with the shape of an envelope. Isn't it lovely? It's so cute. It has a button and a bit of elastic band, and if you make it a bit more cushier with some batting, you can always put a tablet or a laptop inside. It's really nice. It's all top stitch. It has no problems at all. It's really easy to do. So give it a go. And reading cushions, I have two of them. This big one I made last year as well, and the book sits comfortably on here. It won't move because it has this at the bottom, and it has tape to stop the covers from closing. Of course, it has a handle and two pockets on the side, so you can put, for example, tissues for allergies and your bookmarker while you're reading. It's really nice, really comfy, and because I fill it up with scraps of fabric, it's quite sturdy, so you can even use it as a cushion as well. And this little one, my husband loves it. He uses it for his ebook, and he loves the fabric. It's quite cushy, and because it's compact, it's really little, it's ideal for something like that. A small tablet, an ebook, and the same. It has a handle, it has pockets to put your, for example, if it's an ebook, you can put your headphones here. It's really nice, and it's ideal for a gift as well. And for all of us who wear glasses, here are some glasses cases, or for your sunglasses as well, of course. I made them when I got my snap machine, but if you don't have one, you can just sew ones of the ones that come by hand, which are really easy to do. They are fairly comfortable, they are really light, and that's what I wanted. I made them because the hard one were really heavy in my handbag, and I wanted something light I could take anywhere. And if you want them a bit more protected, you can add some more fabric as well inside to make them cushier. And this little basket I use as a serviette holder. Look how we use all these scraps in the sewing room. It's ideal. I made it because I wanted one that fitted just this side or this size of serviettes, but it's ideal for anything really. And for your desk, it's really good. You can put crayons, you can put anything you want there, or even use it as a little trash. So just make one, because I'm sure you're going to find something to put in it. And this little pouch bag, it's a bit like this one in the way of making it, but this one has one of these pressure buttons you sew by hand. It's ideal to use for your pads. These little pads don't have any cover, you just have to take them somehow with you, and they need something. It's something you're going to use, it's intimate, so you need something to have them protected and clean. So this is ideal for it to take in your school bag or in your handbag as well. Apart from these little projects, I'm remembering that I think in this video I made also a tissue holder to take in your handbag. There are things I haven't got anymore because I've given as presents to family and friends, but I'll leave you the links anyways. There are plastic bags, not plastic bag, but plastic pouch bags. There are toothbrush holders, things like that to take with you in your school bag that are going to be really useful. I'll leave you the link. And of course, we could not forget tote bags. They are really useful. You can have them folded in your handbag, in your school bag, and then if you have something else to carry, you just take it out and carry the whole thing with you. And this one I love because it has a ruffle all around it. It's really nice. It's hemmed inside with bias tape, which makes it really lovely. And I love the design, although you can make it without the ruffle as well, but it's fairly cute, isn't it? And tell me about this beauty, eh? This is really nice. It has handle, it has a rope handle, and then it's lined inside, and it has a zip. But even though we have a zip, it's not difficult to sew at all. It's fairly easy to do, and if you don't want to do it in leather, you can make it with any fabric, any hard or any nice quality fabric you have. It's really nice and comfy as well. And let me show you to finish these two handbags. This one is beautiful. Elton. This handbag is a patchwork, a quilted handbag, and it's really nice. It's hemmed with bias tape on the inside, which makes it really easy to do because you don't have to be thinking about what to turn inside out, what not. It's really nice, and you don't have to sew it before. You sew it just all at once, which makes it really simple. And this one, the hobo bag, it's really easy to make as well. And it's lined, of course, and I love the white strap. It makes it easy to carry because it's not heavy. Even though it's not heavy because it's a fabric handbag, this one makes it really comfy. And I made it the exact measurement that I can cross it and make it even easier to carry because you have free hands and it won't move. Well, there's always ideas to sew in the sewing room, and all these little projects can make your back to school or you're back to your routine a bit more exciting. I think maybe you're excited to use a nice new pencil case, or maybe you're excited for when you come back home and sit down for a read. They are all nice projects to do. They are ideal to use scraps, they are ideal for beginners, and even to sell or to give as presents. So let me know which one is your favorite, if you're going to make any of them, and don't forget to subscribe and to share with someone who might enjoy it. And I'll see you around. Bye. All right.